Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be another weekly plan with me. We are currently planning the last week of June, and as you can see, my planner looks a little bit different. I have decided to switch over to the vertical planner from the hourly planner that I had been using before, mainly because I wanted to add more stickers and more decoration to my style of planning. So let me show you really quick the kit that I created for this plan with me. It's called Beach Vibes, and you have a bunch of header stickers, some boxes, a banner, and icons. I also have the date stickers and some budget stickers, and I also have full boxes. I have 8 of those and some checklists. So I'm really excited about this one, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I'm doing is adding some washi tape to the very bottom of my page. In the past, I have not used washi tape, but lately I have been wanting to add a little bit more to my planning, so I have been using it and I am planning on purchasing more. Then I'm going to add my date covers to the very top of the page and have them go all the way across. I used to do this all the time when I had my Erin Condren, and so I kind of missed it and wanted to start doing it. So now I wanted to add some washi tape to the top to cover this green, but I needed to white it out to make sure that it didn't peek through the washi. And so I just added that on, and then I'm going to add a full box over it. In my sidebar, I like to keep track of different things. It's more like a habit tracker and what's big going on this particular week. So on the top part, I am putting my this week along with a checklist there, and then I'm going to add a full box here and add a today's sticker and also another checklist. I'm most likely going to have a checklist on every single day because it kind of keeps me on track with my to-dos. And now I'm just adding all of my headers to cover up the green headers that are already there and make sure that it matches the color scheme that I have going on with my Beach Vibes summer kit. This kit made me really feel like summer was here, and I really enjoyed creating it, and I hope that you enjoy it if you decide to purchase it from my shop. So as you guys know, I have about 6 planners within my one planner. I franken plan them all. However, I do like to have one spot in my planner where I can go and I can see every single thing that's going on, even if it's just a highlight. And so that's what my daily planner is. And I am using this one as basically a hub for my entire life. So on my half sheets, I'm going to keep track of my social media. So this is going to be my YouTube and my Instagram, and the other sheets I'm going to use for my budget planning, and then I'm going to use a third sheet for my work and my brain dump. So I've just added a couple of checklists to my actual spread, and now on the back I'm just adding the different things that I need to purchase for my shop, and I'm also leaving a place for where I can add in my orders that I get from Etsy and the different things I need to send out on Patreon. On the next half sheet I'm adding in my budget, and this is going to be my income and expenses, and also my cash envelopes that I want to keep track of and what I am saving for that particular week. And I just like to keep this all on the half sheet because it's going to be kind of an aid to my actual budget planner. So this will be kind of like the place where I can just hurry up and tick things off, and then all of the details will actually be in my budget planner. So I think planning this way will definitely help me with my overall life because I'll have a quick place where I can reference and look and make sure that I have done something in particular, and then if I need to see the details of that thing, then I can always go to my other planner which has the daily details. So on the back of the last sheet, I'm just adding my weekly goals because I like to plan out what I would love to accomplish for this particular week, and that's basically it. So now I'm showing you all of the stickers that I have left, which I'm still going to kind of use throughout the week when I am writing in all of my plans. And so now we're going to get started with actually writing in the plans. The first thing that I'm doing is writing all of the dates at the very top. And then I'm going to jot down all of the different things that I have going on this week. On Monday, I do like to film a lot on my Monday, but I didn't get to film too much this particular week because I had a presentation I had to speak that evening. So I wanted to prep for my presentation. I also had to do some printing and cutting for my orders. And then I also had to put in and wash some clothes. I was having a hard time with this particular piece of washi tape, and I don't know, as much washi tape as I use, I still have such a hard time putting it down every now and then. So for Tuesday, I do have the same set things that I do for my 9 to 5. So as you can see, I keep glancing back at last week's plans so that I can make sure I do not miss anything that I need to put on my task list for this particular day. We also have to do some major shopping as far as clothes for myself, my husband, and my kids. So I wanted to jot that down and make sure that I did not forget to get these main things. We're also doing some grocery shopping, and I did not want to forget that Tuesday is a trash day. And I didn't like the way that groceries was kind of listed here. I kind of wanted it to have the checkbox too. So I switched that around. And at the bottom here, I'm just jotting down all the different things that I need to do for my social media. As far as my YouTube video going up, which will be this video, my Instagram, and all the different posts that I need to do. Wednesday is another filming day, so I do have to film, edit, upload, and I also have to do a couple of things for work. And we have Bible study on Wednesday night, so I just marked the church. I put that there along with the little icon. On Thursday morning, I have a staff meeting that's every Thursday morning. So I put a box there along with the computer icon to remind myself that. I also have a dentist appointment at 1 p.m. I have to go to the embroidery shop to get some things embroidered. And I also have to do some print and cutting for my shop and ship some orders. I am trying to catch up on a lot of the things that I have to send out for my Patreons. So I am going to be working on that majorly this week and also prepping for next week's budget. I do want to design another sticker kit for next week, so I'm going to be working on that. And on Friday morning, I am also going to be filming and taking pictures that I need to take for Instagram. I also have a list of packing for my trip because I leave on Sunday, and I have to do some laundry, clean. I have to pack up the girls because they are not coming with me. This is a work trip, so me and my husband will be leaving together, and the girls will be staying with my mom. So I just have a couple of things that I need to prep and get ready for in order to make sure that they are good for next week. On Saturday, I'm just kind of catching up on different things that I need to do as far as preparing for my email, designing, adding some different things to the shop, and cleaning some different things around the house and making sure that I review my budget. On Sunday, I do have to write down another checklist, in which I'm cutting this checklist because it's a little bit short for this spot. But I'm adding the different things that I need to prep and get ready for before I leave. And then I'm going to write down all the different things that I want to do on my flight while I'm in the air. So I'm putting down a couple of things here, but I may not be able to get to them all, but it's okay. It's just I like to have a list of things to pull from. For the highlights for this week, I am adding my podcast interview, the fact that I want to buy some stickers for some shops, and I need to purchase supplies. I'm also adding my workout schedule and what I am currently reading this week. On my first half sheet, I am adding the videos that I am planning on uploading this particular week, which I have on Tuesday, which is today. I'm going to be uploading my plan with me, and then I want to upload why we want the things that we don't need on Thursday. And then on Friday, I was saying I was going to do a faith plan with me, but I changed my mind and decided that I was going to do an organizing video instead. So I'm still trying to work out the kinks of my schedule and exactly what I am uploading at what time. Y'all let me know if y'all want both videos. Maybe I can do one on Friday, one on Saturday. We'll see. But as far as Instagram, I do like to put down the different things that I would like to post. I like to do at least 1 to 2 posts per day. So on Monday, I have different things that I want to post, like the before the pin, a plan with me, a quote, different things like that to make sure that I'm staying on top of my Instagram. On the back of this sheet, I'm also writing out the different things that I need to purchase and also my orders for this particular week. On the second half sheet, I am adding my budget. Now, my weekly budget, I do usually have a full budget review within my budget planner, but in my half sheet, I also like to keep track of just an overview of my weekly budget, because it helps me to stay on top and make sure that I have everything covered within my one planner. I know this might seem very redundant because I usually do this in my budget planner also, but I really like having every single thing in one place so I don't have to keep flipping back and forward. I can just look at one spot and kind of know everything that I need to have covered. So now I'm just going to pull out my calculator and calculate everything up to make sure that it agrees with my income, and it does. So, and then on the back here, I'm going to jot down what I am allocating my amounts to for my cash envelopes, for my savings, and for my sinking funds. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed making it. Y'all make sure that you give it a thumbs up and follow me over on Instagram at The Organized Money. Until next time, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. See y'all next time. Bye guys.